Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Clean Car Chris. Welcome back to the channel where it's all about car detailing with nothing but good vibes. Today we're gonna go mobile. I'm gonna take care of a client's Toyota Tundra TRD package. Bad piece of truck. So you don't know, stay tuned, like up the thing, share up the thing, and please subscribe to the channel. Yeah man, we're pulling up to the client's house shortly, so I'll have to make contact with them, retrieve the key so we can get this detail started. Yo, quick update. The exterior is all done. I pulled out everything from the inside, so it's now time to hit the interior. Mad. Yes, my people, the Tundra is complete. You can see her chilling there in the background. I'm sure you guys want to see the after shots, so I'm going to roll them now. But please remember to share the video, like the video, and if you can, please subscribe to the channel, especially if you want to see more content like this. Have a good one, guys. Bless.